Now, I want to answer a question that I know might be burning inside you. Now, if you looked at the last two sections and you still have this question in your head, I just want to clarify for you and put your mind at ease. And that is, isn't assembly language programming obsolete? Now, assembly language programming is not obsolete. If you're trying to handcraft assembly to beat a well-oiled compiler, that is not what you should strive for. But understanding what the compiler is outputting and looking at how your Rust or your C or your C++ code is implemented in critical sections where code execution needs to be fast is where you'll spend a lot of your time. So where you're doing to spend your time is when you're debugging and you're looking at the output of your compiler and seeing what the output looks like. And for that reason, assembly language programming is not obsolete. If you ever have to do stuff with digital signal processing and you're writing very optimized code for doing things like DSP, FFTs, and that kind of stuff, especially if you're in the embedded systems market where RISC-V have a lot of its use cases, you realize that many of these processors lack the hardware for doing things like multiply and accumulate or vector instructions, and knowing how to write highly optimized assembly code is a valuable skill. So that's another reason why assembly language isn't obsolete. So put your mind at ease, sit back and learn assembly without worrying if it's obsolete or not, because it's a very valuable skill that you will use according to what you're doing.